What's up guys, it's Deanna. Welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. I know it's been a couple weeks since I did a video, but as you guys know, with all of us being home, it's been such a blessing, but it's also kind of hard to get stuff done when I'm only having like a 2-hour a day window when Ryan's napping. So I've been pretty busy with just like my consulting business and things like that. So I haven't really had time to focus on YouTube videos. So I'm sorry if you guys missed me. I hope you did. But today I actually kind of gifted myself this Mother's Day DIY kit from AR Workshop. We have one here in town, and I think they have multiple locations all around the country, I believe, but it's really cool. So they're doing DIY take-home kits. So I got this kit that I'm going to make like a little serving tray and then another little tray that has like peonies on it. It's gonna be really cute. Tomorrow is Mother's Day, and today Mark has gifted me the gift of some me time. So I am in here by myself painting and working on this little DIY project while they're outside playing. So I figured while I was sitting there, I wasn't planning to film this, and then I was like, you know what? I haven't filmed in a while. Why don't I film? So during my me time, I'm sharing it with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get right into it. So as I mentioned when I first started doing this, I was not planning on filming, so I actually already went ahead and stained one side of my board. This is how it comes. And they give you all of the tools to do this yourself as if you were in their workshop doing it with friends. So first things first, before I started staining it, I sanded it down. They give you a little piece of sandpaper. They give you like the stain right here, because I'm going to do another coat on this. And they give you literally step-by-step directions. And then paint, so we're going to do that. And then this is what I chose to get stenciled on. It's going to say the Burns family. And it's going to be a really cute little serving tray. They also give you handles that you could screw in there as well. So we're just gonna go ahead and keep going on this project, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Okay, so this is all finished. I'm just letting this dry. Now comes the tricky part, because I have to use the stencil and I'm gonna actually have to start painting on the decal. So that's gonna be a little tricky, but we'll see how it goes. They also give you this color sheet, this color blending chart, which I think is really, really helpful, because I think what I'm going to do is like a green little the leaves right here, the green at the top, and then where it says the Burns family, I'm going to do like a really light blue, but we'll see how that goes. And they give you like little makeup sponges to do the painting. They give you little cups to blend your paint. It's really, I think, awesome that they give you every single thing that you need to do this project. And if you guys are wanting to do this at home, I will just keep telling you guys exactly what I'm using, which they gave to me, and you could just get these at your local stores as well. This is exactly the color that I was hoping for. It's like a blue-green color, and that's going to be the little tree leaves. And you can hear Mark splitting wood in the garage. Hi! Hi! I have a little visitor in my video. Hey! Can't take the camera. Look, say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you cutie. You gonna go back outside with Daddy? Okay. He's trying to grab my camera. Now for the stencil part, you have to, before you peel the blue off of the back, you have to really press down and make sure that the stencil is in place, basically, because if you pull it off too quickly, it just might not work, if that makes sense. Right, now that I've securely gotten the blue tape, I'm going to rub this down again before I peel off the masking tape, and then I will have my outline of Burns family, and then I will just lightly sponge paint with the makeup sponge right here. You don't want to go sweeping motions, you just want to gently sponge over that. Here's what it looks like, and then I'm gonna lift the stencil and hopefully it looks like it's supposed to look. I always get nervous right before I'm about to like do the unveiling, because I'm like, is it gonna look how I want it to look? And if it doesn't, there's really no turning back. One thing I've noticed in doing these quarantine like DIY projects is that I'm so impatient, and I'm sure Mark could have told me that before, but I'm so impatient. I want to do the entire project like at once. So like while I'm sitting here, I want it to be done in a second. I don't even want the stain to take time to dry because I just want to like finish it right away. Once I sit down and I'm like determined to do a project, I just want to do it all in one shot. But obviously with like painting and stripping and sanding and all that, it doesn't always happen that way. So I think I need to learn some patience. Here's what it looks like now once I've taken the blue tape off. It was a little bit hard in these little areas like where that S is. You could see I kind of scraped off a little bit of the S when I was peeling off the blue. But I love the colors. I love the color of the wood stain. I think that came out really great. And now I'm just going to take these little wood handles and screw them into the sides, and then it will be a serving tray. This is really, really cute, and I'm so happy about the way it turned out. Well, my me time is over. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I think that the finished, stop. I think the finished result turned out really great. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down below. But until next time, say bye. Say bye. Real life quarantine.